Oh, hi guys. I just making bird sounds. Actually, I was just pretending I was making a bird sound. That's just fun. And you see my apron because I will tell you when we start making a video for me. And we will make a smoothie. And I need to wait this episode is good. So let's go. Now we have our materials. And now let's get started. And this will be a blueberry banana smoothie. And you see, you need just 1 little spoon of sugar and put it in this bowl or something else bowl. And you see the blinder. I'm still working in it a little bit, but that's okay. And first we'll pour in the milk. And you can have how much milk you want. And bananas. Let's peel the banana up. And now let's peel the banana. Easy. Yeah, I don't love touching my hands with the banana. I will clean it. Here you go. Now we'll slice this and you wash your hands. And remember, after you, and now we need to chop the banana. And now, and guys, now we have a knife. Let's clean it. Okay. And then what I already did, we wash. Nice and wash. Look at how this does and see. I love it. And now we need to dry it. But nice and I make stick a little bit. So good. Now let's chop it. And if you're less than this 6, you need to ask a grown up. If you're 6, you can do it. Chop, chop. Look how fast I'm doing it. This is fun. And chop. The end. Let's chop some more bananas like this. Ooh. Slice this. Ooh, look at it inside. Look how many bananas. This is fun. Bananas. Yeah. And then you need to wash your hands. Yeah. So yucky. I love touching this yucky. And now I'll be right back and washing my hands. Hey, get away, Shoo. And I'm back. I hope you have enough time to look at them all. And you can even mute. And now I will tell you why we cannot add so much sugar because it can have your teeth. It can get your teeth cavity and curly violet. No, you don't want to visit at the doctor because curly violet. Maybe the doctor have curly violet and they don't know. Big problem. That's why. The second blueberry. Okay. This knife is not good at cutting these. See, I can change my mind. Hey, this blueberry now looks like Chicomar, but that's okay. Chicomar, sick, but that's okay, I guess. I almost put the whole ball in it. Now that it's sugar. I need to eat some sugar. I want to eat more sugar, but I want it in the smoothie. Ooh, some cool milk. Let's put it inside here. I'm excited. Let's put the cap. And I really want to see how it looks like inside, so I'll open it. And put it here. And actually, I cannot be enough tall, so I'll just put it back. And it's not enough spot. Okay, super. Heavy, good. It's like that. And now I put it in, and my mom looked it, and now we can do it. See, okay, mix and blind. See, this is mix and this is blind. What do you need to do for the mix? It's done. Wow. This side is yellow and this side is purple. Amazing. Let's place our glasses And get chocolate syrup for anything you want to decorate with, and you love when it can be with a smoothie. Then get any bowls, and then open the lid, or you don't need to open the lid. See? I got some in my finger. And actually, this is just for painting, and it's even for cooking. A little bit. Oops, I cannot get up this. And that's it. I know I'm good at designing. But that's a look. And that's it. Now guys, I ate some, but it's not good. I ate some, but it's not very good, so I will wipe it off from the paper. If that happens the same for you, you don't need to eat it, just wipe it off for paper. You can eat it if you really love. That's it. I really want to eat it. Like me. And after that, you need to clean. Looks like you need some water on that, but that's okay. Whoa. And good, my decoration done. Now I just need to turn the light. And now my mom can pour the smoothie. And guys, look! I poured some chocolate syrup. But I want to add more. See? It looks so beautiful. Let's make a smiley face. A bit. Oops. Not good for a smiley face. Bum 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 bum. And done. Whoa. I get some chocolate syrup on my finger. Yummy. Here go. Ooh, this design looks so beautiful. Let's toast it out. Round and round and round and round and round and round. And guys, look inside here. See? Beautiful. Look what my design did. You can do a different design. And if you like my video, you might feel very young. Subscribe to my Gold Health Living channel. And guys, watch my last long video.